because we are in the middle of a field, as you can see our surrounding. But our mark, our field, is means for us the marks you make when you're living.
Over here, this red building, and down there we have the horse stables. Those two buildings were... We don't know exactly when it was built, but we know that there lived some and worked. Our father is driving the pictures are also cute.
Spise køkken ud.
Ja.
Så...
Det er dejligt, han er her.
Ja. The brewery, it is called in old Danish houses, bryggers.
Mm-hmm.
And that's because in old days the water was not healthy to drink. So they always made beer, and the children got the light beer and the adults got the good beer, of course. Mm-hmm. So it was actually a standard part of the house where you were brewing beer and actually also doing laundry. So this is an old recipe from the farm, made with wheat from our...
No.